Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today I'm going to show you how to barbecue some pork belly. No burn ends here, just straight good old barbecue. Salt and pepper is what I'm going to use. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe. Join the team. Love to have you aboard. Let's get into this. And for today's cook, we're using the propane assist inside the Summit. I just got charcoal poured in there, as you can see. Nothing special, just dumped in some, lit it up. And you can see it's smoking nice right now. Once it's all ignited to where I'd like it, I'm just going to turn off the gas assist and then rake them around all over. I'll show you when I get there. There you see we got lots of smoke coming out right now. I've got a chunk of hickory I'm going to be using today as well. And then we're going to turn this off. And there we go, that's off. Now we're just going to let everything else do what it's supposed to do to light the rest of those coals up in that one little area, and then I'll rake them all out over top, and that's what we're going to be cooking with today. All right, got them lit. Rake them out just like so. Spread them out nice. Not sure how they're going to burn out of this one. My guess is they're going to circulate around this way. We'll see what happens. And let's put that right there. Nice chunk of hickory. There we go. Put our diffuser on. Once our diffuser's on, then we're going to grab a drip tray. I've already used that once, which is okay. It can be used again. It's probably not going to cover the whole area of where I'm cooking, but it's all right. That'll work for me. That's how our setup is. 9.5 pound pork belly. I'm going to be hitting it with pink Himalayan salt and pepper. That's all we're going to be doing with it today. Hit it up nice with the salt and the pepper. Not using SPG because I don't feel like any garlic today in it. There we go. Just like that. With your salt. Go on top, hit it up with the pepper. It's a little bit windy out here today, as you can see. It's all right. A little pepper. I'm going to flip it over, repeat the process. The other side doesn't have the skin on it. The skin's been removed. But we do have a nice fat cap on it, as you can see. And we're just going to treat the fat side the exact same way. Salt and pepper. I'm going to get this finished up. We'll pick back up when we're going to put it on the Summit. We're at about 250 degrees right now. We're going to go ahead and close that damper down. Knock it down to about halfway. I'm going to change this over into the smoke setting down on the bottom damper. We're aiming for 275. First part of this. Go ahead. Do a quick little scrape. 30. There we go. Now we're going to get our pork belly right here. You guys can see. We're going to go meat side down on this. I want the fat cap up for this one. Yeah, I want the fat cap up for this one. Do I? Don't I? I'm going to leave it like that for now. The fat cap up. We'll see how it rolls. We're gonna close down our lid. And there you go. Like I said, we're aiming for 275 for the first part of this cook. 250, 275, and around that range. Get some nice hickory smoke on it. Then from there, we're gonna go and turn the temperature up. Start crisping that fat up in that. You'll see. Let's take a look and see what we got after an hour. Look at that. Beautiful. Fat cap's rendering down nicely. And the meat looks nice. I'm gonna close this up and let it go. Probably another 15 minutes or so like this. 1.5 hours into this now. We're sitting nicely at 250 degrees. Let's take a look. That's looking nice. Let's close this down. Now we're gonna open up the vent, wide open. I'm gonna come down here to the bottom vent, give it a little sweep, and open that up wide open now. Now we're gonna run this at high temperature to get that fat cap nice and crisp, kind of like a crackling. So let's let it roll and see what we end up with. So after half an hour of us turning up the temperature, let's see what we're looking at here. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking really good. Close it down and let's let that go a little bit longer. And another 20 minutes has passed, bringing us to a total cook time now of 2.5 hours. Let's attempt to see what we're temping at. 190 over there. 187 over here. 192 in the center. 206. That's done enough for my liking. I gotta close the lid, go get some stuff, get this pulled off, let it rest for a bit, and I'll show you what we got. And here's what we got after about 15 minutes of rest time. Nice pork belly. This is the meat side that I had down the whole time during the cook. Fat side's on the bottom, right there. Hey, let me just slice a piece here. Oh, that's nice and tender. Get that out of our way. Let's see what we're looking at here with this piece of pork belly. Look at that. Nicely done. Just cut a piece anywhere you want. Look at that, it's just breaking apart. That's good. Let's just cut a piece down. There we go. Cut a piece. Cut it in the bite size, whatever you want. Look at that. Nice. I don't have to show you how juicy it is because you can see my hands are wet. Sure, it's probably most of it from the fat cap, whatever, but that meat is still nice and tender. Let's get in there for a bite. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Barbecued pork belly. Perfect.
Before you, because I'm
Well, there you have it. That's how you barbecue a pork belly. The whole thing. Never mind burnt ends. You don't have to do that. This turns out just as good. Just use salt and pepper. Use an SPG. You could use your favorite barbecue rub if that's what you wanted to use as well. You guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.